Alright, so carrying on with our example, what we're going to do is construct a lunch that is going to be 3 servings or 3 blocks. So again, a serving of carbs is 9 grams, a serving of fat is 3 grams, and a serving of protein is 3 grams. So we want it 3 servings of each. So 3 times 9, we want about 27 carbs. 3 times 3, we want about 3 grams of fat, and 3 times 7, about 21 grams of protein. Again, don't drive yourself insane going for exact numbers. Just get within the ballpark, and you will see results. So, in this example, we're going to use a popular recipe I like. So if you go to signumcrossfit.com, up here in the top, healthy recipes, okay, we are going to use, as our example, these quinoa turkey meatballs, okay? Turkey and quinoa meatballs right here. Here's all the ingredients. And if you actually search in MyFitnessPal, you can search and Healthy Steps Nutrition. They actually have them in there already, okay? Healthy Steps Nutrition, and this is it, okay? So you can find, this is all their recipes, so we'll find the turkey quinoa meatballs right there, okay? So serving 1 meatball, let's just start there. Add that to food diary, okay? So obviously only got 1 meatball, so here we are. This is going to be our main source of protein and fat. So let's actually beef this up to 2 meatballs. Okay. So good place to start. So remember, we want to get to about 21 grams of protein. So we're getting close on the protein. So we need a carb, need a fat. We like to suggest for lunch and dinners to include at least 1 vegetable. High in fiber, helps bind the food and all that good jazz. So let's actually go with some broccoli. So we'll add a food. I don't believe I have different kinds of broccoli, but we'll just find some regular old steamed broccoli. Excuse my spelling here. And generic fresh steamed broccoli. So we'll just click on that. And let's use 1 cup as our serving size. Okay. So add that to the food diary. Alright, now we beefed up. We got our vegetables in there. Okay. And we're getting pretty darn close. We want 21 grams of protein, we want 27 of carbs, 9 of fat. So we're getting there. So let's work on some carbs here. What is good with, some meatballs? I personally like, let's just try some basmati rice. I prefer this or brown rice, or you can even try some quinoa. Let's just try quinoa maybe, okay? So let's search there. And quinoa right here, okay? How much? Let's just try a cup. Okay. Sorry, just checking something. So we're gonna add that there. So this is, given that amount, this is probably half a cup uncooked. So we'll get rid of that, and we'll find quinoa cooked. Okay. So right here, okay, quinoa cooked, and let's try 0.5. All right, so a little high on carbs, close to in fat, a little high on protein. So, and we got up there, quinoa added a couple there. So let's just knock this down to maybe a third of a cup. And boom, on the number for carbs, 2 blocks over on protein. Not mad at that, okay? And a little bit low in fat. We want to get to 9. So you could adjust this, but a great way, simple way to get some fat is, you could add some almond slivers there, but let's just add beloved butter to our meal. So we'll add a food. We'll just search on some butter, okay? And one favorite, love the Kerrygold butter, and just knowing it'd probably be around a teaspoon. We'll try half a teaspoon. Add it to the food diary. Alright, so we're still on the number a little over there. A little bit low on fat. This meal is probably pretty darn good to go, but let's just tweak it a little bit, okay? And let's just see what 1 whole teaspoon looks like. Boom, on the number, okay? So 3 blocks of carbs, 27, 9 times 3. 3 blocks of fat, 3 times 3. Slightly over on protein. It's supposed to, our target was 21, but not mad at this number. Very, very low in sugar. Most of it's just in regular old steamed broccoli. So this is how to construct a 3-block lunch.